Joe, you going in first or is it?
And he is big. Oh, sorry about that, not quite. This is a tough one for some of these tugs. Okay, Mark. And each tug gets two tries. You can either take them consecutively or get back in line. This is a tough throw. Okay, I'll give it to you. That's good enough. That's good. All right. The time to...
Chesapeake Shipbuilding out of Salisbury, Maryland.
Chesapeake Shipbuilding out of Salisbury, Maryland. How long are you guys up here for? Are you up here for a while or just for the afternoon? Okay, so they've been here for a while. They've been here since November. They're practically New Yorkers already. Maggie's got that time clock ready. And the clock is ticking. All right, here we go. All right. Okay. Good shot. Excellent. I guarantee that was a winner right there. 12.6 seconds.